Google search strategies. We can use Google search for somewhat that we want to from our target. Let's say we target ninjasec.com, and here we will type site ninjasec.com. View all information about this site only. As you can see, ninja, no other site here. Okay, we can try link to search for sites linking our site. Type link, no sites linked to us. Let's try entitle VERIS. RIS. You can find many websites that contains VERIS in its title. Okay, let's try best. We'll find many websites that contains best in their title. Let's try to find install.php. We will type in URL install PHP. Here you can find many things here and here. We can search by file type. Let's try this one. I want to search in the site fbi.gov, and I want to find all file type that have extension PDF. You can see here that we found many files PDF from fbi.gov. Let's try. I want to find all file types .doc, document, Word document. Let's try JPG, photos, no JPG. Let's make it small, JPG. GIF, no, DOCX. Okay, found many files here. Let's try BBT, PowerPoint presentations, BTX, nothing. You can try some other extensions like TXT, text files. You can find many results here. Okay, you can try this site called GHDB, Google Hacking Database. Let's open this one from exploit-db. Let's try this one in URL. There is a vulnerability in plugin for WordPress called age verification, and there is an exploit for it. Okay, as you can see here that this exploit is open redirect exploit or vulnerability. Let's try first one. As you can see, this site will redirect us to another site. Let's try to manipulate or alter it. Let's type ninjasec.com. Okay, you can exploit this by using get or post request. Let's try another site, this one. Let's try this ninjasec.com. Let's verify 111. This one, click submit. And as you can see, after we submit, we will be redirected to ninjasec.com. Take some time. Or we can try another site called yahoo.com. Enter any data, click submit, and you will see that we redirected to Yahoo instead of the original website, the bot. Let's try another one called dentist.com and type this. As you can see, it directs us to dentist.com. You can put any site here or any target here. This parameter redirects to. As you can see, there is such an example. You can try many examples here, and here, and here. You can also search by error messages. Let's try this error. This one, there is an error in PHP CMS version 9. I think it's Chinese. Let's see another one. Let's try another one here. Okay, we found many things interested to us. Here, as you can see, this website using WordPress and using a plugin called wp-db-backup, and we view error log here. By using this technique, we found that their directory here in server. Okay, let's try another one here. Found also here the directory. This will help us in information gathering. You can try another here error messages. Let's try this. We can view logins to database. Try this one. Okay, we found that there is an error warning MySQL Connect access denied for user. We found user here, and we found host name, and we found directory, and we can use this one too. Here and here. Access denied for user, nobody at localhost. Can find many interested information. Let's try this and this one. this is blocked here. Root at localhost, and there is a real path in server /home/basement public HTML. As you can see, we found and gathered many interesting information by using Google Docs. You can sort categories including vulnerable sites, online devices, log detection, directories, username, files with sensitive information, and others. There are many tools that can automate this process. There is a tool called Wikto, can automate Google search, and also there is SiteDigger, there is Google, and there is a tool called SearchDigity. Let's take a look at SearchDigity here. It is GUI. There is two versions, GUI and command line. We will use command line version of it. You can also download this tool from Stash and Leo. Here, tools, find hacking Digity, Google hacking Digity from here. Before using this tool, let's try another Google Doc here. We want to find site in URL php.info. info.php, sorry, info.php. Let's try this site. Okay, we found many interesting information to us. This site using PHP version 5.1. Okay, and let's take a look here. And also they are using Apache here, and you can see PHP configuration here. Display errors on, display startup errors off. Let's try another site here. This one. Let's try this one. Okay, we found that they are using PHP version 5.1.6 and host name here, and the kernel version 2.6.2.18. You can see here many things, many informations, and you can see PHP configurations here. You can hear open base dir here. They are using SendMail, and they are using Apache 2.2.3, and they are using Red Hat Linux. And you can find server administrator email and host name and port. Okay, let's try our tool SearchDigity. We'll go to desktop layer. We'll type this Google Digity. You can use here examples here. We want to target a specific domain and view all Google Docs, or we can specify only error messages. Let's type this -f for file, can view GHD here, okay, and domain name -d ninja-sec.com are using, there's the result. It omits all Google queries here. You don't have to enter one by one by hand. But there is some limit in this tool. Only 100 search result is available for us. So you can see as Google gives us this error code 403. This means it's forbidden to search for more than 100 result. Okay.